Welcome to The Journey, where Jen and Mike, two travel professionals, taking you along on our adventure. Today we are road tripping to the great state of Connecticut. Any guesses where we're heading? If you guessed one of the casinos, you're right. Today we are back to Foxwoods Resort and Casino.
We're going to show you the casino, we're going to have some food, we're going to show you the vibes. Stay tuned, and then stay tuned for a separate video where we're going to show you the spa.
But first, let's check out the pool. This outdoor area at the base of Fox Tower features premium seating with cabanas, daybed, food and drink service available poolside. It is open seasonal to hotel guests with options for day passes. We have visited this pool many times. Sometimes it is really crowded, others it is completely empty. I think it's just hit or miss depending on the time of the year and the day of the week. We had a good time. We are back with another one, Jenical's Journey. We are here for one night, king size bed. We had a lovely check-in experience and we asked if there were any upgrades available, as tonight is the Strawberry Moon. Strawberry Moon, if you know, you know. We were hoping for a good view and we got more than we bargained for. This is the Suite Life. We are checking out a new room category. Oh, hey, Michael.
Oh, hey guys, what's going on today? Welcome to the Fox Tower, Foxwoods Resort and Casino.
And right there, which you can kind of see through the cracks of the window, is the brand new, open to the public, officially Great Wolf Lodge.
I'm not a fan of children in the casino. When people are drinking libations, people are gambling, they're spending money. It kind of kills the vibe.
Which we did see down at the pool. So you do get a little bit of the bachelorette vibes, and you also get some kids with their parents.
It could be ready for a refresh with the carpeting and the layout, but I think the square footage is perfect. I'm loving the ambiance of the room. I'm loving the high floor. The view is fantastic.
If it's free, it's for us.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're not complaining. A nice TV here, a couple of drawers. We did pick up some chips on our way, local to Michael's home state. What do we got?
So we got Hal's New York Kettle Chips, Buffalo Ranch. If you ever had these, I'm sure you'll agree with me. These are fantastic.
So 2 TVs in this room, which is great. Another TV over here, a little desk area, a phone, nice little seating, plenty of plugs, which we love to see. A refrigerator, which we have put a couple of items in there. Let's see what we're rocking today.
We got a couple waters. I'm rocking a couple handy dandy Bud Lights.
And my drink of the
summer. Hey, Portnoy, take a look at this because we got the Miss Peaches going on here.
Miss Peaches.
Miss Peaches. Awareness to adopting animals rather than going the expensive route. There's animals that need your help, they need protection, they need to be saved.
We love the four-legged friends. We have a little four-legged friend that we love so much, so we support it all we can. Really yummy. It's just a vodka with real lemon juice, natural flavors.
King size bed. I always like to say I love when they tuck in the sheets like this. It brings like a crisp, more modern look. Some people, they have the sheets untucked here and it dangles down. I'm not a fan of that coming from the hospitality industry. First impression's key. I love the way they present the bed here. That's pretty nice.
Michael likes to say, "Tuck it in, ladies."
Tuck it in. That's the standard I like to have. Plenty of drawer space here. They do provide old school, the Holy Bible there. So you want to pray before you gamble.
Something that we haven't seen in our most recent hotels, which we thought were phasing out, but are still here in Foxwoods, and we know a couple of our Gold Circle members like a clock test. So
perfect. 616, so they pass.
Foxwoods checks out.
A+.
And this was the information about the robe, which Michael is wearing. Let's hold it up so we can see if we can capture it. Basically just says that it's $100. If you want it, you can have it, but you gotta buy it. So we are actually invited here this trip by a couple of businesses on property. We're going to be checking out a couple of restaurants. Here we've got some luggage. We did just check out the pool, so bathing suits are already hanging up. Luggage rack, that is another robe that I will be putting on shortly.
Ta-da! Bring a bath bomb with you because it's a beautiful jacuzzi for 2.
Check it out. Michael said there is bath salts. I haven't seen the bath salts yet.
Right over there.
They are the bath salts. So we're gonna give that a little sample and see what it's all about. Our amenities, same as what we've seen in all the other rooms here in Foxwoods. This is shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion, bar soap, a box of tissues. Full working or single?
It's single.
Single. This is our fifth
Fourth
room
room,
review.
and so far 2 out of 5 have been dual shower heads.
It's not us. We're not the problem, we promise. We know how it works in a room that worked, and this is not it.
The vent's been cleaned. You can tell it's not dusty up there, which is key. We'll do a quick dust test here while we're here. Slight pickup. I'm gonna give it a B.
We are looking for the best bite at Foxwoods. We have tried to go to Golden Dragon a couple of times, but unfortunately they do always seem to be closed. We are heading to Seoul Alley. Let's check it out and see what it's all about.
Stop one, Seoul Alley, Korean restaurant. Here's their drink menu. Here's their food menu. Hey Murph Dog, what do you think we're gonna go with? Restaurant Wars, stop one. And here we got the rice cakes. So it wasn't what I was thinking for rice cakes, but that's Korean rice cakes there. And this is the 4-piece chicken tenders.
We have never had anything like this before. There are little fluffy balls of flour or pasta maybe. So good, super spicy. Definitely more spicy than what we normally have here on Jenica's Journey. But a little bit of this with a little bit of that really balances out.
It's doughy, it's unique, it's spicy, and it's really good.
You know Michael's enjoying his dinner when his beer is full.
Let's just hit a home run. I'm a big Mets fan here. Up 5-0. It looks like, is that Brandon Nimmo? Brandon Nimmo hit a home run there. Here's all the sportsbook in its glory. We went with the burger at the DraftKings Sportsbook. It's a double patty burger. And everyone keeps telling me it's delicious. We have multiple comics telling us that on Facebook. So we're gonna go with it with the hand-cut fries. Phenomenal, phenomenal. I know you heard me say it twice in the last video, but Best Bite in Foxwoods has now changed. So good, so delicious. Buttery bun, 2 patties, coated in cheese. Phenomenal.
I don't eat burgers very often, you guys know that. When I have a burger, I want to love it. I love this burger. I'm giving it top 3 best burger of all time.
Of all time, of all time. Well, you are sitting in your couch, kind of bored on a Saturday, don't know what to do. And you stumble on our channel and you say, what's that? And you give that show a view. And you like that video, you caught up right now and you say, what do I gotta do? Well, you click that thumbs up, then you give us subscribe, and I know you like it too. And when you do that, you got a special treat. You part of the Go Circle. You part of the journey, now you part of the show, and you know you love it too. For those who don't know, Mike's amazing.